Quick reading for April the 9th to April the 10th, Leo. Your cards are the Seven of Swords, the Moon card, and the Death card. Makikita natin dito na totoo, no, yung person natin probably betrayed our trust with the Seven of Swords. Feel natin yung deceit, no? May mga pagkakataon dito na talagang sinagad ni person yung parang pain na binigay niya sa atin. We're actually asking with the Moon card, naiintindihan ba ni person kung ano yung nagawa niya sa aking kasalanan? I feel like ngayon nagsisink in na. Meron na ditong release of the negative energies with the Death card. So this is more of, I'm going to remove that from my system. Hindi nga lang ito 100% for now. Kasi changes din ito. Lahat ng changes meron niyang process, no? And changes can't happen overnight. So, unti-unti. Pero napapansin naman natin na yung effort ni person is somewhat nagiging consistent and it's worth another try. This is your bonus reading for April the 9th to quick reading for April the 9th to April the 10th, Leo.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye love.